Well, classic championship. Game 7 po tayo.
Huwag niyong ubusin yung inyong mga kuko. This is it, mga kaibigan. 4.9 seconds to go. They want to give it to the man who can shoot. Patrick Fran will take a 3 for the win. Wala! And Formula Shell will go away! Formula Shell is the champion of the 1998 PBA Governors Cup.
Well, they failed to get that ball into Silas Mills' hands, which I felt they had the best chance to win this game. Ayan na po, nagkagulo na rito.
Winakasan ng Formula Shell ang 6 na taon, 6 na mapait na taon na paghihintay ng isang kampyonato. All those years of frustration, yung Commissioner's Cup debacle nila, where they thought they were going to make the finals. Of course, yung Centennial Cup na natalo sila sa Mobiline. Now, Formula Shell is champion once again.